Maayong buntag.
Buntag.
Hello po, kamusta po kayo? Ako po si PJ, you can just call me PJ. So if you see me out there later or somewhere outside in the future, PJ na lang po yung tawag niya sa akin. Magandang umaga po sa inyo lahat and thank you for coming. So before I start talking about what we just watched, gusto ko lang rin pong sabihin na alam niyo po, today feels sort of like a homecoming for us. Okay, we've been here in Davao for a while, pero I guess this day is significant in a sense na parang we're kind of relaunching Cool Air officially, and with you, we're very blessed to have all of you here with us. Kasi yung pinakaunang branch po ng Cool Air outside of Metro Manila was actually in Davao. That was the largest branch that we had at that time. And ngayon po, we're gearing towards supporting the Davao market even more with business centers and by moving closer to Davao City. So a lot of things to be excited about, di ba po? So thank you for coming. Palakpakan po natin sarili muna natin. Okay. So now I want to discuss what we just watched, di ba? So ang topic natin for today pala is flexible temperature solutions. Anong ibig sabihin nun? Kanina, pinakita sa video yung iba-ibang klaseng customizations or flexible solutions po ng Cool Air. Okay? Because we all know Cool Air is the best refrigerated van supplier in the Philippines. But did we all know na marami pang features si Cool Air na hindi laging nadidiscuss? Yun po yung gusto nating pag-usapan for today. So I want to start by talking a little bit about Cool Air. So since this is a little bit of a launch, kaya na sinabi po natin, I want to reintroduce Cool Air formally to everybody. Ayan, sige, labas na natin, Sir JZ. Okay, nakalagay dito 56 years, but actually Cool Air started 57 years ago. 2026 is our 57th year. Cool Air started in 1969, and to this day, Cool Air is the largest supplier of refrigerated vans all around the Philippines. So we're very proud of that kasi hindi po yan mararating ng Cool Air kundi rin po tayo dito nagsimula. So we're grateful to everybody for helping us reach this milestone. Cool Air is also the only refrigerated van supplier po na ISO certified and ASEAN awarded. So these two things, we are always going to hear us talk about it because to us it's really important because it gives everybody a peace of mind that you're working with a company that's professional and you're working with a company of repute. Yan po si Cool Air. Can we go to the next slide, please? Okay, ito po siya. So these are some of the accolades of Cool Air, guys. Pinakauna yung nakikita natin Cool Air red na flag dyan sa taas. Familiar po tayo lahat dyan. This is the flag of the NMIS, National Meat Inspection Service, di ba? Cool Air, did you know, is the only bodybuilder that is recognized and certified by NMIS as a AAA supplier. Gusto po namin i-share yun sa inyo because a lot of you guys here are also NMIS certified. So pareho po tayo, and I believe some of the feedback that we heard was that it's much easier to accredit NMIS trucks or trucks with NMIS kung Cool Air po yung body natin. Cool Air is also a supporter of the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. Okay, so very important din po ito because we're in a mission for future sustainability po, not only for the company but also for our economy. Sa baba po nun, nakalagay po yung ISO certification because we're the only ISO certified refrigerated van in the whole country. And lastly po, in 2024, Cool Air was awarded as one of the only 5 companies in the Philippines na ASEAN Awards. Okay, this happened in Laos, and we were awarded by the President of the Philippines. So imagine that po. We're so proud to tell you all about this kasi ito po yung accolades po ni Cool Air na hindi natin mahahanap sa iba. So yan po si Cool Air. Okay. Now I want to go back to the video that we saw earlier, si flexible temperature solutions. Okay, and I want to discuss brick by brick kung ano yung mga nakita natin doon in further detail. Okay, we'll start with cargo solutions, and the first topic being the meat vans. Okay, so I understand that there's a lot of meat companies here, kaya sinabi natin NMIS accredited. As we know, NMIS has a very strict set of rules para sa mga meat vans. Is that correct? Alam natin yan. So para sa mga frozen meat, there are specific temperatures that they require. But this one that we're discussing is not just frozen meat, this is for freshly slaughtered meat carcass. And for these requirements, Cool Air built a customized meat van para po sa freshly slaughtered meat, and this is in accordance of all of the NMIS rules. So let's look at it, di ba? Nakalagay dito, this is good if you're transporting freshly slaughtered meat. And this is design approved by NMIS. Okay. So ano ba yung NMIS rules? Can we go to the next slide, please? Okay, so unang-una, sinabi ni NMIS, pag ang meat ay bagong katay, kailangan po ito ay immediately mailagay sa refrigerated environment. And in this case, it has to be chilled. Okay? Pangalawa, ang sabi ni NMIS, kailangan yung mga meat products natin or yung freshly slaughtered meat carcass hindi sumasayad sa floor. Okay? So kakaiba yung logistics natin for meat vans because usually we just set everything on top of each other sa floor. Apparently, sa meat carcass, hindi pala pwede kasi kailangan hindi siya madumihan. So in this purpose, we have to make use of meat hangers. So nakikita po natin sa pictures yung mga hangers wherein the carcass are set para sa mga deliveries po natin. Okay? And if we think about it, normally for the payload of all of our trucks, these meat carcasses or these products are usually placed on the floor. Pero ito, we need a specially structured refrigerated van para hindi lumundo yung ceiling po natin. So this is what sets Cool Air apart, and this is what actually accredited Cool Air by the NMIS. Yung meat hangers po natin and yung structural support to provide this for long-term use. So as you can see po, the cargo weight is borne by the ceiling, and per hook po natin, these hooks can accommodate 100 kilos of meat carcass. So if you're talking about, for example, 15 hooks in one truck, example lang po yan, we can carry 1.5 tons of freshly slaughtered meat carcass across the nation. Okay, and then we go to the next one. Now, these are cargo holders. Sige, kanina nakita natin yung cube, okay? Yung cube nga pala, or the sample refrigerated van that we see out there in the back, this is what we call the cube. It's a miniature refrigerated van by Cool Air. So it has all of the standard or all of the customized features of the Cool Air refrigerated van. Isa po sa mga features na nakita po natin dyan sa likod is yung cargo holders natin. So what are the cargo holders? Minsan po kasi may mga biyahe po tayo na inclined, may mga products po tayo na mabigat, and hindi natin maiiwasan, these products can slide all the way down to the doors, which can cause damage not only to the product but also to your refrigerated van. So isa po sa flexible temperature solutions po na ginawa po natin is there is now an optional and customizable cargo tracks or cargo bars that will be able to stop these products from moving backwards and forwards, even left and right. So these are one of the key features of Cool Air customizations right now. These tracks or these cargo bars can also go multiple layers. So depende po sa heaviness or sa weight ng cargo po natin, we can adjust accordingly. Okay. Go to the next one, please. Okay, cargo shelves. Okay, some of you may have encountered the idea na parang, what if mag-shelf tayo sa refrigerated van natin, just like what we do sa mga storage systems natin. So people talk about that and some people welcome the idea. I just want to let you all know that this is possible for refrigerated vans. And as you can see, for cargo shelves or for cargo storages, what we can do is, first of all, kailangan stainless steel po yung ating material. Okay, stainless steel kasi syempre iiwas tayo sa kalawang, sa rusting, because we're transporting perishable goods, mostly food, and kailangan malinis tayo at all times. Pangalawa po, makikita po natin that these stainless steel shelves are open in design. Ibig sabihin hindi siya sarado. Butas-butas po siya. Why? Because we have to allow airflow or good circulation para yung temperature natin is equal all throughout the refrigerated van, no matter where the cargo is. So this is applicable para sa mga products natin na hindi pwedeng pagpatong-patungin yung boxes. Okay, so just wanted to let you know that if you're going to need some cargo shelves, these are available with Cool Air. Next po. Ayan, so wow. Kailangan pag-usapan pa natin ng mahaba si cargo. Ay, ito na. Lumipad na po pala. Okay. Now, I want to discuss one of the mostly asked refrigerated van customizations po sa atin. Okay? I want to introduce this with you kasi baka maya-maya, hindi natin alam na mayroong ganito, pero this is very relevant pala sa operations natin. We recognize that every operation can be different. Every company operates uniquely. So there are some na nagtatanong po sa atin. Sinasabi, PJ, meron ba kayong refrigerated van na pwedeng magkaibang produkto, magkaibang temperature, pero sabay natin ilaload sa loob? The answer is yes. So these are called multi-temperature refrigerated vans, and this is what I want to discuss in the next couple of slides. Okay, so ito po siya. It says here, 2 products, 2 temperatures, and 1 smart delivery. So, kunin natin yung picture kasi magandang picture yan. So this is for frozen products and chilled products that you can deliver at the same time. Pwede rin refrigerated goods and dry goods at the same time. Diba? So depending on your configuration and depending on your operation po yung magiging design natin. For some bigger trucks, pag sinabi po natin bigger, ito po yung length niya is 20 feet at mas mahaba pa po. Some of the customizations that we've done for this is actually 3 rooms. So, meron siyang frozen room, meron siyang chilled room, and meron siyang dry room. Okay, galing, di ba? So, one of the key questions here is, what kind of partition or what kind of divider do you use? So in the next couple of slides, I'd like to discuss with you some of the different types of dividers or some of the different types of partitions conforme rin po sa magiging operations po ninyo. So the first one, oh, sorry. I want to show you this pala. Yung layout po natin, yung nasa maliit na picture, and the bigger picture is actually a real working product po ng multi-temperature refrigerated van. Okay, so next one please. So what are the different kinds of dividers or what are the different kinds of partitions? Ito po yung laging tinatanong. Ang pinakauna po and pinaka-simple, pero for me, personally, ito po yung pinaka-effective, we have what we call the soft partition or the insulated bulkhead. So what is an insulated bulkhead? It's a divider that has an insulation of 4 inches inside. Insulation is polyurethane, and it's propped up in the middle or wherever you would like it to be. So in short, yung pag-prop up natin can be variable or flexible depending on the load. So if your load is more on the first room than on the second room, you can adjust it accordingly. And if the load is more of the second room and then the first room, you can adjust it accordingly. And kung kailangan natin gamitin ng single temperature yung buong refrigerated van, the entire length, we can just remove it and we can enjoy a single temperature refrigerated van. So for me, this one is my particular favorite kasi this is very flexible, very variable, and also it can be adjusted according to the different operational needs of your daily requirements. The next one po is, this is called the swing door partition. Okay, kung mapapansin natin kanina soft partition, now this is a hard partition. The main difference between that one and this one are the following. Pinakauna po, this one is made up of fiberglass. Okay, so kung ano yung material yun ng body natin sa labas at saka sa loob, yun din yung magiging material natin dun sa partition po natin. Okay, now this one is fixed, meaning you will already have a predetermined length of the first room and of the second room. For bigger trucks, also for the third room. Okay, ngayon, for easy access and for easy operations, what we designed is to have a swinging door in the middle of the partition. So this way, you can easily load, unload, and go on with your operations. Ngayon, for the soft partition kanina and for this partition that we're looking at now, the front room, yung nasa pinakaharap po, is also accessible by side door, as we saw earlier in the diagram. Okay, and then the next one po is a sliding door partition. Ngayon, bakit sliding door? Because if you are to use a swing door, may mga operations naman po na hindi kaya ng swing door kasi swing door means you're gonna have to allot space on the floor for the swinging door. Paano pag puno yung loob ng truck natin? Hindi natin kayang i-open yung swinging door, so meron tayong side door. the side door, the sliding door. The sliding door is there to reduce the footprint of the movement of the door and therefore have a more efficient and easier way to move and remove products po from the refrigerated van. The next one po is the most advanced one. This is called the retractable partition. And for the retractable partition, we usually use this for the bigger ones, mga 20 feet, 24 feet, 32 feet, yung ganyan sizes po. So retractable partition means you can actually move it forward and backward, and in addition, you can actually fold it up. You can retract it para kung gusto natin ng single temp or dual temp, or kung ano man yung configuration na gusto natin, this is easily applicable by means of your retractable partition. Okay, next one po. Okay, what are the takeaways for the ones that I just mentioned? Ito po yung takeaways niyan. The first one is, babasahin ko po with you ha. Number one, there are several options to make your refrigerated van work for you more efficiently than it already is. So, anong ibig sabihin po nito? Ibig sabihin po nito, yes, our refrigerated van that we use now is already very useful and it's a benefit for our business. Pero baka maya-maya hindi pa natin na-realize or hindi pa na-explain ni Cool Air that meron pa lang mga iba pang mga ideas na pwedeng i-introduce sa atin na para mas maging beneficial pa, mas maging more efficient pa yung mga operations natin, di ba? Like the meat vans, like the multi-temperature refrigerated vans. So yun po yung mga takeaways po natin. And then the second one is, if you have a design or idea, please let us know. 99% of the time we can execute it. Okay. Ibig po sabihin na to, like I said earlier, di ba? Every person or every company has their own unique way of operating. Di ba? So, there are some instances na meron din po kayong sarili niyong idea na gusto nating i-implement. Could be the dimensions. PJ, pwede bang mas malapad ito ng konti kasi kailangan kong ipasok yung mga X number of boxes or pallets. Yan, pwede po yan. Pwede bang mas mababa ng konti kasi maliit yung, mababa yung bubong ng garahe ko. Pwede po yan. If you have any ideas or if you have anything that you would like to execute on your future refrigerated vans, please let us know. We have Cool Air professionals here today para po tulungan po tayo. And then the third one po, some of the flexible options don't have to apply to new trucks. Ask your Cool Air professional next to you how you can apply these to existing trucks. So ito naman po, this simply means that actually, kung meron po tayong existing na mga refrigerated vans, some of these customizations may also apply. So kung meron po kayong gustong i-discuss with our team, please let us know. Hindi kailangan sa lahat ng pagkakataon na bago yung refrigerated van para ma-apply natin to. There are some instances wherein this can be incorporated into your current refrigerated van. So that's basically the first part of our flexible temperature solutions, the discussion for today. Now, there are some things that I also want to share with you. Okay, pag sinabi ko what's new, di ba? A lot of the attendees here and yung mga representatives po ng Cool Air, we know each other. We've been working with each other for a while. Pero one of the things that were asked of me this morning, so mga nakasama ko at nakausap ko po this morning before the event started was, sabi, PJ, ano bang bago sa Cool Air? What's new? Okay, so there are some items or some things that are already in place that we have just introduced to our refrigerated vans, and there are some that we are just about to introduce. For today, in our kapihan, yun po yung gusto ko pong i-share sa inyo. So the first one is, ito po, nakita po natin kanina. This is the ProView 360-degree camera. Okay? Remember, sa ProView 360-degree camera, you have a better visual of literally everything that surrounds your truck. Dati po kasi, alam niyo po ito kasi meron po kayong existing Cool Airs, dati po meron tayong backup camera. The backup camera was a great benefit for the drivers when they back up the refrigerated van kasi wala tayong rear view mirror. Pero for the ProView 360-degree camera, we add a new layer of dimension po dito po sa mga refrigerated vans natin. Can go to the next slide, please. Okay, isa-isahin po natin para mas madali nating intindihin. The first one is driver protection. Ano yung sabihin ng driver protection? That simply means that your driver will now have an elimination of all of the blind spots that go around your refrigerated van. So that simply means to say they have more awareness of their surroundings when they control when they control your vehicles or your refrigerated vans. Yung second po, it says here accident prevention. Kasi with 360-degree visibility, mas ma-reduce natin significantly yung likelihood of collisions from reversing or from, yung mga tight turns po ng mga drivers kasi now he will have full awareness of what's left and right and in the back and in the front of the vehicle. The next one po, it says there risk reductions because fewer accidents actually means fewer liabilities, di ba? So that means fewer repair costs also and reduced downtime for our units kasi kailangan yung units natin. Ang purpose po niyan is lagi bumabiyahe. Hindi pwedeng dahil lang nabangga yung likod at kailangan i-repair, meron tayong downtime. And then the next one is total visibility. Like as we mentioned earlier, the drivers gain a complete view of the vehicle. So mas magiging confident yung driver natin sa pagmaneho at saka sa mga decision-making process niya while he's operating the vehicle. Okay? And lastly, operational safety. So by enhancing awareness and control, there's a safer working environment for the drivers and for the warehouse teams also and for the platforms na yung mga dati na lang nababanggang mga loading bay, hindi na po mababangga ngayon because we have operational safety. So yun po yung mga merits po for ProView 360-degree camera. It's a brand new accessory of Cool Air, and for all new refrigerated vans, this is a standard accessory. Hindi po siya kailangan i-request, hindi po siya customized. It's a standard accessory for Cool Air refrigerated vans. Okay, next slide please. Okay, so this one is actually a very useful product. This is called the Level Up Tail Lifter. Okay, Level Up Tail Lifter. Unang-una po, gusto ko pong bagitin before I go on to the bullet points is that these tail lifters, they don't have to be installed in Cool Air refrigerated vans. If meron po kayong ibang mga vehicles or ibang mga body conversions or body types, we can also install the tail lifters on these different kinds of bodies. So what are the merits naman of operating with a tail lifter? Okay, the first one is obviously you will have loading efficiency. So by streamlining the loading and unloading process, you will be able to reduce delays. Diba? Kasi mas madali at mas kayang mag-load and unload ng produkto kahit isang tao lang po yan. The second one po is productivity. So better processes also means more deliveries completed in a short amount of time. So dahil po meron tayong tail lifters, mas marami tayong pwedeng potentially ma-deliver dahil mas mabilis po natin nagagawa yung trabaho natin. The next one is, it says here, faster turnaround. What does faster turnaround mean? It means simply reduced waiting time allows vehicles to get back on the road quickly. Kasi mas mabilis nga natin nagagawa at mas efficient po yung nagiging operations po natin. Speaking of operations, the next one is operational efficiency, which simply means that we're optimizing workflows with these tail lifters. And lastly, workplace safety, kasi nakaka-reduce po ito ng mga ng chaotic environments po sa mga working areas, loading areas, and we create a safer environment for everybody. And this is an optional item for refrigerated vans, and this can be applied not only for Cool Air refrigerated vans but also for other kinds of bodies. Kung meron po kayong ibang mga bodies sa operations po ninyo at kailangan po natin ng operational efficiency, we can always add a touch of the level of tail lifters po sa mga trucks natin. Okay, the next one po. Okay, so this one is, we're just about to launch this. Kayo po actually yung first group of people na makakalam po nito. This is called the Fleet Navigator. Wow, Fleet Navigator. Ano po yan? Nakalagay po sa ilalim ng Fleet Navigator is GPS plus temp tracker. Okay, so bakit GPS plus temp tracker? Kasi you know, in our operations now for logistics, it's very important to really have a grasp of the controls of the operations of our trucks. Kasi yun po yung pinakaunang nakalagay dyan, is fleet control. Because when you gain a centralized, pag sabing centralized, kahit marami po yan, when you gain a centralized control over all of the trucks in your fleet, then you will be able to monitor your business as easy as possible. The second one is real-time visibility. Real-time. Hindi na natin kailangan hintayin papatapos yung biyahe bago natin kamustahin yung team natin. Ano nangyari sa biyahe mo? Saan ka ng ruta nagpunta? Okay? Because with real-time visibility, we can track the vehicle location and refrigeration performance easily. Okay? Because I wanted to stress that this is not just a GPS locator, this is also a temperature tracker. So it tells you each time in real time kung ano na po yung temperature po sa loob ng refrigerated vans natin para meron po tayong peace of mind that our products are transported at the right condition and at the right time. Ayan po. The third one is asset protection. So this protects both our vehicles and our cargo from misuse and from theft. Diba? Yun naman ang ginagawa natin kaya tayo nag-GPS. So this also adds to the proper monitoring and safety of our fleets. The next one po is, it says here, smart monitoring. Ayan, ano ibig sabihin ng smart monitoring? Kasi with GPS and temperature tracking, guys, especially for cold chain operations, we are able to protect product integrity even more. Okay? Minsan hindi natin alam, nagkakaroon na pala ng fluctuation of temperature, or the driver unfortunately is able to accidentally open the doors at an extended period of time. So dahil meron tayong GPS and temp tracker, we can prevent that from happening, and therefore we're able to have better product integrity po para sa mga clients po natin. The fifth one is operational control, so we can make faster decisions. Because based on accurate information and real-time information, it's much better for the operator or for the logistics manager to manage his fleet. Okay, and finally, gusto ko ito yung term na to, fleet intelligence. Ano yung sabihin yan? The data that we collect helps us analyze trends, di ba? So by that we are able to, in the future, improve the routing of our operations and continuously operate with optimized performance. So yan po tayo. And then the next one and the last one po. Okay, so again, you're the first to hear about this. This is our entry into the future. Ito na po yung tinatawag nating EVOLVE, Cool Air's EVOLVE Electric Refrigeration Units. Okay? Wow. As we know, the Philippines is going towards the leap to electric vehicles. So while we're still focused on yung mga normal na diesel trucks natin, we know that it's just a matter of time before everybody is going to be using electric trucks and electric refrigerated vans. And for this, we have already innovated a product that can be attuned to the future of your business. Okay, so what are we talking about when we talk about EVOLVE? EVOLVE is the brand of our electric refrigerated vans. First one is innovation. Okay, this represents a shift towards modern and advanced refrigeration technology. Diba? Kasi dati, we derive our power from the mechanical energy of our truck engine, and now we will be deriving the power through electrical energy through an electric compressor. Yan po yung magiging new power source po ng refrigerated vans ng EVOLVE. Second one is sustainability. Okay? When we talk about sustainability, this basically means that it supports our environmental goals by reducing emissions and therefore going green in the process. Ayan po. The third one is clean power. So by operating electrically, we're able to reduce the reliance on traditional fuel sources. So yan po yung actually reason kung bakit the entire world is now going to electric, and this is also the same purpose that we hold when we use this platform for the future of truck refrigeration. The next one is a feature-ready technology. Ayan, ano yung sabihin yan? That basically means that we're aligning the refrigerated van platform to upcoming environmental regulations and evolving standards of the industry. Kasi eventually, pwedeng maging outdated na rin yung ginagawa natin lahat dito. But with a sneak peek and a leap towards the future, we'll be able to surpass that and drive towards future-ready technology. Ayan. And lastly po, it's energy independence. Yan po yung nakalagay dyan. Okay, energy independence means we are already, with this platform, reducing fuel dependency. Okay, so by that, we came towards greater control over operating costs. So mas madali natin makontrol yung operating costs natin and create long-term efficiency using electric refrigerated vans. So you are the first that we're discussing this too, and we're very blessed to have you as an audience para i-discuss tong very exciting venture for Cool Air. And hopefully in the future, pag mag-usap tayo lahat, we have all evolved to electrical technology. Okay. So, last po natin is, these are the takeaways from the stuff that I had discussed previously. The ProView 360-degree camera, it emphasizes safety. And the level up tail lifter emphasizes productivity. The Fleet Navigator, GPS, and Temp Tracker emphasizes security and control. And lastly, Evolve electric refrigerated vans emphasizes sustainability. Okay? And together, these solutions create a safer, smarter, and more efficient, and siguro best of all, a future-ready fleet operations for everybody. So, I hope you like the new products that Cool Air has in store for you. Maraming salamat po.